In this lesson, you will learn how to perform an express facial, which is ideal for those on the go. It is a great way for them to receive a quick service to clear up skin, attain a healthy glow, and it is also a great alternative for a first-timer, as it will prep the skin and start the exfoliation process for better results from a future basic facial. To prepare for a facial service, cover the couch with a couch cover with a blanket placed on top. Then, place a towel lengthwise with a small folded towel at the head. Place a disposable couch roll over the towels with another large towel placed over the couch roll. Finally, place a blanket over the top and fold the blanket and top towel down so the client can get in with ease. The room is now ready. Consult with your client and record appropriate information onto the consultation record. Determine any medical history that would contraindicate the treatment. Then explain each stage of the treatment to the client. Ask the client to remove any appropriate jewelry and put on a modesty gown. Assist them onto the couch and cover them with the towel and blanket. If needed, you can provide additional comfort by supporting the arms and knees with a bolster or rolled towels. Apply a headband to protect the client's hairline from product. Help the client lift their head and gently pull the hair away from the face. Wrap the headband around the hairline and secure at the forehead. Then, wrap a towel following the headband to enclose and protect the remaining hair. Adjust if needed and remember to check the client's comfort. Sanitize your hands prior to starting the facial. Then, saturate 2 cotton pads with makeup remover. Ask your client to close their eyes as you gently place them into position. Lightly press with circular movements to dissolve the eye makeup, making it easier to remove. While the eye pads are in place, remove any lipstick using 2 new cotton pads saturated with makeup remover. Hold the corner of the mouth with one hand and gently wipe from one corner to the other, alternating hands. Flip the pads over and finish removing any remaining lipstick. Discard the cotton pads once complete. Return to the eyes and fold the cotton pad in half and use a downward stroke, working from the inner corner of the eye outward. Then work under the eye from the outside corner in. Repeat on the opposite eye and discard used cotton pads. Saturate 2 new cotton pads and fold them in half. Ask your client to look up to remove any makeup along the lash line. Work from the outside corner in and discard the used cotton pads. Then, select a general makeup remover suitable for all skin types and apply it to your hands. Warm the product up and distribute it evenly from the décolleté to the forehead. Then, return to the chest and use large, smooth, sweeping effleurage strokes from the décolleté up to the forehead. Continue pre-cleansing the skin using light pressure with a steady rhythm to evenly remove makeup. Keep contact with the skin at all times during the manipulations. Repeat this technique until the makeup is dissolved. Then, soak 2 sponges in warm water to remove the cleanser. Start at the décolleté and follow the contour of the neck using upward and outward movements. Work towards the forehead using the same movements until all the product is removed. Be sure to avoid dragging or pulling the skin.